Belt check, belt replacement and tensioning procedure. Loosen the tensioning bolt to remove the belt for replacement. Replace the belts and tighten the tensioning bolt to have an approximate tension in the belts. Ensure that the belts are not tensioned in hot condition. Maintenance of belt has to be done always when the belts are cool, less than 60 degrees centigrade. Fix the belt alignment meter on the pulley as indicated and ensure the laser marks are matching with the center line. If not, realign the pulleys to match. Wrong mounting of the belt tension meter. Input the parameters, mass and span length in the belt tension meter. Check the belt tension meter at the 4 different points of equal spacing and get the average value. Belt tensioning has to be done once every 2000 running hours.